The universe is a place of infinite wonder, stretching far beyond the limits of what we can see or even comprehend. It's a canvas of endless possibilities, where the rules we know on Earth might not apply. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars and wondered what's out there. Are we alone, or could life exist in forms we can't even begin to imagine? Today, we're diving into 10 of the most surreal theories about life beyond Earth, ideas that defy our understanding of existence and challenge everything we think we know. From civilizations that thrive in dimensions we can't access to beings made entirely of energy, these theories push the boundaries of science and stretch the limits of our imagination. Could life beyond our planet be stranger than anything we've ever dreamed? Join us on this journey as we explore mind-bending concepts that might just leave you questioning the very nature of reality itself. For as long as humans have gazed at the stars, we've wondered if we're truly alone in the universe. This curiosity stretches back thousands of years, embedded in the myths and legends of ancient civilizations. The Greeks told stories of gods descending from the heavens, while the Mayans charted the skies with astonishing precision, seeking signs of otherworldly visitors. Even early Chinese astronomers recorded strange celestial phenomena, sparking debates about what or who might be out there. Fast forward to the modern era, and this fascination has only deepened. The 20th century brought monumental leaps in our understanding of the cosmos. The discovery of exoplanets' worlds orbiting other stars revolutionized astronomy, proving that our solar system isn't unique. Then came the tantalizing search for life on Mars, with rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance scouring the red planet for signs of ancient microbial life. Every new discovery fuels our imagination, pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible. Advancements in technology have played a crucial role in this journey. Telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope have allowed us to peer deeper into space than ever before, capturing images of distant galaxies and nebulae. Meanwhile, projects like SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, scan the cosmos for signals that might reveal intelligent life. Yet, as our tools have grown more sophisticated, so too have the theories about what might exist beyond our planet. Some are grounded in rigorous science, while others blur the line between fact and speculation, inviting us to ponder the truly surreal possibilities of life beyond Earth. This blend of science and imagination has given rise to some of the most intriguing and sometimes bizarre theories about extraterrestrial life. From ancient astronaut hypotheses to the idea of parallel universes, these concepts challenge our understanding of reality itself. And as we explore these theories, we're reminded that the universe is far more mysterious and expansive than we can fully comprehend. So, with this foundation in mind, let's dive into the 10 most surreal theories about life beyond Earth. Ideas that will stretch your imagination and leave you questioning what's truly out there. What if everything you've ever known, the stars, the planets, even your own thoughts, wasn't real? Imagine for a moment that our entire universe is nothing more than an incredibly advanced simulation, a digital creation crafted by a civilization far beyond our comprehension. This is the simulation hypothesis, a theory that has captivated scientists, philosophers, and storytellers alike. At its core, it suggests that our reality might be akin to a sophisticated video game, with every detail meticulously programmed by an intelligence we can't even begin to fathom. The idea isn't new. Philosophers like Nick Bostrom have explored the possibility that future civilizations with immense computing power might choose to run simulations of their ancestors, us. Bostrom's famous trilemma argues that at least one of 3 statements must be true. Either all civilizations go extinct before reaching the technological capability to create such simulations, No civilization chooses to run them, or we are almost certainly living in one. It's a mind-bending concept that forces us to question the very fabric of reality. This theory has also seeped into pop culture, inspiring movies like The Matrix and TV shows that explore the idea of a simulated existence. But beyond the entertainment, the simulation hypothesis raises profound questions about life beyond Earth. If our universe is a simulation, could extraterrestrial beings be the ones running it? Are they the unseen programmers observing us from a higher plane of existence? And if so, what does that mean for their own reality? Are they also part of a simulation within a simulation? As we ponder these questions, the simulation hypothesis invites us to rethink our place in the cosmos. It challenges us to consider not only the possibility of life beyond Earth, but also the very nature of existence itself. If reality is nothing more than lines of code, what does that reveal about the universe and about us? This theory sets the stage for a surreal exploration of what might lie beyond the stars, inviting us to question everything we think we know. What if the seeds of life on Earth weren't planted here at all, but instead arrived from the depths of space? This is the core idea behind the theory of Panspermia, which suggests that life on our planet may have begun with microorganisms hitchhiking on comets or asteroids. Imagine tiny life forms tucked away in the icy confines of a space rock, surviving the harsh conditions of the cosmos only to land on Earth billions of years ago. It's a fascinating thought, but is there any evidence to back it up? Scientists have discovered organic molecules, the building blocks of life, in meteorites and within the vast reaches of interstellar space. These findings lend credibility to the idea that life's ingredients could have been delivered to Earth from elsewhere. But it doesn't stop there. Life on our planet has shown an incredible ability to thrive in extreme environments, from scorching hydrothermal vents to the frozen deserts of Antarctica. Organisms known as extremophiles prove that life can endure conditions once thought impossible, raising the possibility that similar life forms could survive the journey through space. If panspermia is a valid theory, what does that mean for life beyond Earth? Could comets and asteroids have seeded other planets in the same way? If so, life might be far more widespread in the universe than we ever imagined. And if life can begin independently on multiple worlds, how might it evolve differently in each unique environment? This leads us to even bigger questions about the diversity of life in the cosmos and the incredible possibilities that await discovery. What if we're not alone in the universe, but the reason we haven't made contact is because we're being watched from a distance? This is the essence of the zoo hypothesis, one of the most fascinating theories about life beyond Earth. Imagine a scenario where advanced extraterrestrial civilizations are fully aware of our existence but choose to remain hidden, observing us like scientists might study animals in a zoo. It's a concept that's both thrilling and deeply humbling, challenging us to rethink our assumptions about our place in the cosmos. The zoo hypothesis offers a compelling answer to one of the biggest questions in science, the Fermi paradox. If the universe is so vast and teeming with potential life, why haven't we found any evidence of intelligent beings? According to this theory, the silence might be intentional. Advanced civilizations could be deliberately avoiding contact to let us evolve naturally, free from interference. It's a bit like how we protect certain ecosystems on Earth, stepping back to allow nature to take its course. But what if there's more to it? What if we're not just being observed, but actively studied as part of some grand cosmic experiment? The idea might sound unsettling at first, but it opens up a world of possibilities. Are we being monitored to see how we develop technology, solve global challenges, or even how we interact with one another? Could our progress or missteps be recorded as part of a larger interstellar study? This theory doesn't just raise questions about extraterrestrial life, it also forces us to reflect on ourselves. How would we respond if we discovered we were being watched? Would it change the way we treat our planet or each other? The zoo hypothesis invites us to consider not only the mysteries of the universe, but also the profound responsibility that comes with being part of it. As we ponder this theory, one thing becomes clear: the universe is far stranger and more complex than we can imagine. Whether or not the zoo hypothesis holds any truth, it reminds us that our search for answers is just beginning, and that sometimes the most profound discoveries come from asking the right questions. What if everything we see, touch, and experience is nothing more than a projection, a cosmic illusion? That's the mind-bending idea behind the holographic universe theory. This concept suggests that our entire universe, with its vast galaxies and intricate details, might actually be a hologram, a three-dimensional image encoded on a two-dimensional surface. It's a theory rooted in the mysteries of quantum physics and the enigmatic behavior of black holes. When physicists study black holes, they've discovered something fascinating. The information about everything that falls into them seems to be preserved on their event horizons, the surface like boundaries that mark the point of no return. This has led some scientists to speculate that the universe itself could function in a similar way, with all the information about our reality stored on a two-dimensional surface like a cosmic DVD. So, what does this mean for life beyond Earth? If our universe is indeed a hologram, it opens up the possibility that other dimensions or realities exist, ones we can't perceive with our senses or current technology. Extraterrestrial life might not just be out there in the stars. It could be in dimensions or layers of reality that are completely beyond our comprehension. Think about it. If the universe is a projection, could there be beings who exist in the source code of this hologram, manipulating or interacting with our reality in ways we can't fathom? This theory doesn't just challenge our understanding of space and existence, it invites us to rethink the very nature of life itself. What if the universe is far more complex and far stranger than we've ever imagined? What if our universe is just one page in an infinite cosmic library? That's the essence of the multiverse theory, a mind-bending idea suggesting that our universe is merely one of countless others, each with its own unique set of physical laws. Some universes might have stronger gravity, others might lack dark matter, and a few could even operate with entirely different forces we can't even begin to comprehend. This theory isn't just science fiction. It's grounded in serious scientific frameworks like string theory and quantum mechanics, which provide the mathematical backbone for these wild possibilities. But what does all this mean for life beyond Earth? If other universes exist, each with its own rules, could life take forms we can't even imagine? Picture a universe where time flows backward, or where planets are made of gas so dense they solidify into crystalline structures. In such a universe, life might evolve in ways that defy our understanding of biology. Imagine creatures that communicate through magnetic fields or beings that exist entirely as energy. The multiverse theory opens the door to an almost limitless array of possibilities, challenging us to rethink what life could look like and where it might exist. Now, here's a question that might keep you up at night. If these parallel universes exist, could they ever interact? Some scientists speculate that tiny ripples in space-time might allow fleeting connections between universes, like whispers through a cosmic curtain. Others argue that such interactions are impossible, leaving each universe isolated in its own bubble of existence. Either way, the multiverse theory forces us to confront the sheer scale of the unknown, reminding us that the cosmos might be far stranger and more diverse than we ever dared to dream. What if the most intelligent beings in the universe weren't planets or civilizations, but single, spontaneously formed brains floating in the void? This is the strange and mind-bending concept behind the Boltzmann brain paradox. Named after the physicist Ludwig Boltzmann, who made groundbreaking contributions to thermodynamics, this thought experiment challenges our understanding of existence itself. The idea hinges on the notion that, in an infinite universe governed by the laws of probability, even the most unlikely events can and will happen. Given enough time, random fluctuations could give rise to a fully self-aware brain, complete with memories, thoughts, and consciousness entirely by chance. The paradox grows even more intriguing when we consider the implications for life beyond Earth. If the universe is vast enough for Boltzmann brains to form, could they exist somewhere out there, silently observing the cosmos? And what does that mean for our own consciousness? Are we, too, the product of some cosmic accident, or is there a deeper order to our existence? These questions blur the line between science and philosophy, forcing us to rethink not just the nature of life, but the very fabric of reality. What makes this theory so compelling is its connection to thermodynamics, the branch of physics that deals with energy and entropy. Boltzmann's work showed that systems tend to move toward disorder over time, but randomness can also create pockets of order, even if only for a fleeting moment. In this light, a Boltzmann brain is just one of countless possibilities in a universe teeming with potential. Yet, it's also a stark reminder of how little we truly understand about consciousness and intelligence. So, could such brains exist in the cosmos? And if they do, what would it mean for our search for extraterrestrial life? The Boltzmann brain paradox doesn't just challenge our assumptions about the universe, it invites us to ponder the very essence of what it means to think, to exist, and to be alive. It's a theory that doesn't provide easy answers, but instead opens the door to endless questions, reminding us that the universe is far stranger and more mysterious than we could ever imagine. What if life on Earth wasn't a random accident, but a deliberate act by an advanced civilization from the stars? Enter the directed Panspermia hypothesis, a theory that suggests life on our planet was intentionally planted by extraterrestrial beings. Proposed by none other than Francis Crick, the co-discoverer of DNA's double helix structure, this idea pushes us to rethink our origins in a way that's equal parts fascinating and unsettling. Crick and his collaborator, Leslie Orgel, argued that the complexity of life's building blocks might not have arisen spontaneously on Earth. Instead, they proposed that an intelligent civilization could have sent microbial life to our planet aboard spacecraft, essentially jump-starting the evolutionary process. Think of it as a cosmic gardener scattering seeds across the universe, with Earth as one of many potential gardens. But why would an advanced civilization do this? The motivations behind directed panspermia are as intriguing as the theory itself. Perhaps it was an experiment, a way to study how life evolves under different conditions. Maybe it was a form of colonization, ensuring the survival of their species by spreading life to distant worlds. Or, intriguingly, it could have been a message, a deliberate act to communicate with future civilizations capable of understanding their handiwork. Scientifically, the hypothesis is both compelling and controversial. Supporters point to the rapid emergence of life on Earth as evidence that it might have been imported rather than formed here. Critics, however, argue that there's no concrete proof of such an event and that the theory relies heavily on speculation. Still, it raises profound questions about our place in the universe. Are we alone or the product of a grand cosmic design? This theory also blurs the line between science and philosophy, challenging us to consider not just how life began, but why. If directed panspermia is true, what does that mean for humanity's destiny? Are we part of a larger experiment, or perhaps even the heirs to a legacy spanning the stars? These questions don't just stretch our imagination, they invite us to look at the cosmos with a sense of wonder and possibility. The universe, vast and mysterious, might be far more dangerous than we've ever imagined. Enter the dark forest theory, a concept that paints a chilling picture of cosmic survival. Imagine the universe as a dark, endless forest, silent and shadowy, where every civilization hides, afraid to make a sound. Why? Because in this forest, revealing your presence could mean inviting devastation. This theory, born as a response to the Fermi paradox, the question of why we haven't encountered extraterrestrial life despite the universe's immensity, suggests that advanced civilizations might choose silence as a survival strategy. The logic is both simple and unsettling. If other intelligent species exist, they might see newly discovered civilizations as threats or resources to exploit. In a universe where contact could lead to conflict, the safest move might be to stay hidden, to never broadcast signals or announce your existence. The implications of this are profound, especially for our own efforts in interstellar communication. Projects like SETI, which aim to send messages to potential alien civilizations, could inadvertently put us at risk. This theory also challenges one of our most optimistic assumptions, that contact with extraterrestrial life would be peaceful or beneficial. What if instead it's a gamble we're not ready to take? The dark forest theory forces us to confront the possibility that we're not alone, but that being alone might be the safest option. It's a sobering reminder that the universe, for all its beauty, might be a place of caution rather than curiosity. So, as we continue to search the stars, we have to ask ourselves, is it worth the risk to reach out, or should we stay silent in the cosmic shadows? This isn't just a question about aliens, it's about our place in the universe and how we navigate its unknowns. What if death isn't the end? What if, instead of a final stop, consciousness simply shifts like a traveler finding a new path through an endless forest? This is the essence of the quantum immortality theory, a mind-bending idea that suggests consciousness never truly ceases. It simply branches into parallel universes where survival is always possible. At its core, this concept is deeply tied to quantum mechanics, particularly the many worlds interpretation, which proposes that every possible outcome of a quantum event splits the universe into new, distinct realities. If you were to face a life-threatening situation, in one universe you might not survive, but in another, you'd continue on, your consciousness seamlessly transitioning to a reality where you still exist. Now, let's take this a step further. If quantum immortality is a possibility, what does that mean for life beyond Earth? Could advanced civilizations, far older and more technologically sophisticated than ours, have mastered this form of immortality? Imagine a species that has unlocked the secrets of quantum branching, ensuring their survival across infinite realities. For them, death might not be an inevitability but merely a crossroads, a point where one version of themselves ends while countless others continue. This theory doesn't just challenge our understanding of life and death, it redefines it. What does it mean to survive if your consciousness exists in multiple realities? Could civilizations spanning galaxies have transcended the limits of mortality by harnessing quantum mechanics? And if so, what would that look like? Would they appear to us as beings of pure energy, or would their existence remain hidden, branching into dimensions we can't yet perceive? These questions aren't just speculative, they push the boundaries of our imagination, inviting us to reconsider the very nature of existence itself. The concept of quantum immortality isn't just a thought experiment, it's a window into the possibilities of life beyond Earth. If advanced civilizations have indeed mastered this profound understanding of reality, their survival might not be tied to a single planet or even a single universe. Instead, they could exist in a state of perpetual branching, thriving across endless realities. What does that mean for us? It invites us to think bigger, to explore not just the stars but the very fabric of existence. After all, if consciousness can navigate the quantum multiverse, Who's to say we won't one day unlock the same secrets? Imagine a structure so vast that it engulfs an entire star, harnessing its energy not for warmth or light, but for processing power beyond our wildest dreams. This is the concept of the Matryoshka Brain, a hypothetical megastructure that could be the ultimate achievement of an advanced civilization. Named after the Russian nesting dolls, this colossal computer would consist of layered shells, each capturing and utilizing the energy radiated by the star at its core. Such a device wouldn't just be a technological marvel, it could serve as a platform for simulating entire civilizations or even universes with unparalleled complexity. The implications of this theory are staggering. If an alien civilization were to build a Matryoshka brain, it raises the question, could our reality be one of its simulations? The idea isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. With enough computational power, simulating a universe, or at least the perception of one, becomes theoretically possible. This leads us to a profound and unsettling possibility. What if we're not the creators of our existence, but the creations of an intelligence so advanced it bends the very fabric of reality? Beyond its philosophical implications, the Matryoshka brain also challenges our understanding of the limits of technology and creativity. Could humanity ever build something on this scale? And if we did, what would we use it for? Would we simulate countless worlds to study the nature of consciousness, or would we seek to explore the boundaries of art and imagination in ways we can't yet comprehend? As we wrap up this journey through the most surreal theories about life beyond Earth, the Matryoshka brain leaves us with a thought that lingers. The universe may be far stranger and far more connected than we've ever dared to imagine. It's a reminder that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence isn't just about finding life. It's about understanding our place in a cosmos that might be more complex and more wondrous than we've ever dreamed. When we step back and look at these 10 theories about life beyond Earth, a fascinating pattern begins to emerge. Each one, in its own way, grapples with the profound questions of reality, existence, and the very nature of life itself. Yet, despite their shared focus, the paths they take couldn't be more distinct. Take, for instance, the simulation hypothesis, which suggests our universe might be an advanced digital construct, and contrast it with panspermia, the idea that life was seeded across the cosmos by comets or asteroids. One leans into the abstract realm of technology and consciousness, while the other roots itself in the physical, tangible processes of the universe. What's striking is how these theories, though diverse, all point to a single truth. The universe is far more complex and mysterious than we've ever imagined. The Multiverse Theory paints a picture of infinite realities, each one a unique variation of existence, while the rare Earth hypothesis argues that the conditions for life might be so specific that we're truly alone. These ideas may seem contradictory, but they all push us to rethink our place in the cosmos. The beauty of these theories lies in their ability to spark curiosity and challenge our assumptions. Do you find yourself drawn to the idea of parallel universes, where every decision creates a new reality? Or does the thought of ancient alien civilizations, as proposed by the ancient astronaut theory, ignite your imagination? It's fascinating how each perspective offers a unique lens through which to view the universe, inviting us to ponder what it all means. As we explore these ideas, it's worth asking ourselves, which theories resonate most with us and why? Is it because they align with our personal beliefs, or do they simply spark a sense of wonder that's hard to ignore? There's no right or wrong answer here. These theories are as much about inspiring questions as they are about providing answers. What's clear is that this is just the beginning of our journey into the unknown. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, and these theories are stepping stones, guiding us toward a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. When it comes to the wild, mind-bending theories about life beyond Earth, it's natural to wonder, is there any actual science backing these ideas up? The truth is, while some of these concepts might sound like they're straight out of science fiction, there's a surprising amount of evidence that keeps them firmly rooted in the real world of science. Take exoplanets, for example. Over the past few decades, telescopes like Kepler and James Webb have discovered thousands of planets orbiting distant stars, some of which sit in the so-called Goldilocks zone, that sweet spot where conditions might be just right for liquid water and potentially life to exist. These discoveries have transformed our understanding of the universe, showing that Earth-like worlds might not be so rare after all. Then there's the strange world of quantum physics, where particles can seemingly exist in multiple places at once and communicate instantaneously across vast distances. Experiments in this field have challenged our understanding of reality itself, and some scientists speculate that these phenomena could hint at entirely new dimensions or even parallel universes, ideas that align with some of the more surreal theories about extraterrestrial life. And let's not forget cosmic phenomena like black holes and dark matter, which continue to baffle researchers. These mysterious forces could hold the key to unlocking some of the universe's deepest secrets, including the possibility of life in forms we can't yet comprehend. But here's the catch: as much as we've learned, our technology is still limited. Telescopes can only see so far, and experiments can only probe so deep. Testing these theories often feels like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing. That's why continued research is so crucial. Every new discovery, every breakthrough in technology brings us one step closer to answering the big questions. So, what might future observations reveal? Could we one day confirm the existence of life in another galaxy or even another dimension? The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself, and that's what makes this journey so exciting. What if everything we think we know about existence is just the tip of the iceberg? The theories we've explored so far don't just speculate about life beyond Earth, they force us to reconsider the very foundations of what it means to exist. Take, for example, the idea that consciousness might not be unique to humans or even Earth. If sentient beings elsewhere in the universe possess consciousness, could it be a universal phenomenon woven into the fabric of reality itself? This single question challenges not only our understanding of life but also our sense of self. Are we truly alone in the universe, or are we just one thread in a vast tapestry of sentient beings? These theories also push us to confront profound ethical and moral dilemmas. If we were to discover intelligent alien life, how would we approach it? Would we treat them as equals, or would our fears and biases lead to conflict? And what if these beings possess technology or knowledge far beyond our own? Could we handle the responsibility that comes with such discoveries? The moral questions don't stop there. If reality itself is not as fixed as we believe, if, as some theories suggest, we're living in a simulation or a multiverse, what does that mean for our actions and choices? Are we free to shape our destiny, or are we merely following a predetermined path? But perhaps the most unsettling question of all is this: what if the meaning of life, the universe, and everything isn't something we're meant to understand? What if the boundaries of human knowledge are simply too small to grasp the true nature of existence? These theories invite us to step outside our comfort zone and consider possibilities that might seem impossible or even terrifying. Yet, in doing so, they also offer a sense of wonder. They remind us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of potential, and in that mystery lies an opportunity to keep exploring, questioning, and expanding our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Theories about life beyond Earth have done more than just challenge our scientific understanding. They've permeated the very fabric of our culture, inspiring some of the most iconic works in literature, film, and art. Think about the way these ideas have shaped our collective imagination, reflecting not just our curiosity but also our deepest hopes and fears. From the dystopian visions of The Matrix to the awe-inspiring wonder of Contact, these stories explore what it means to encounter the unknown, pushing us to question our place in the cosmos. The Matrix, for instance, delves into the idea of reality as a simulation, blurring the line between what's real and what's constructed, a concept that echoes theories about advanced civilizations manipulating our perception. On the other hand, Contact, based on Carl Sagan's novel, captures the human yearning for connection and understanding, portraying first contact as both a scientific breakthrough and a deeply emotional experience. These narratives resonate because they tap into universal themes: the desire for meaning, the fear of insignificance, and the hope that we're not alone. Even in art, surreal depictions of alien landscapes and otherworldly beings have allowed creators to explore these ideas visually, offering new perspectives on what might exist beyond our world. So, how have these theories influenced your own view of life beyond Earth? Have they sparked a sense of wonder or perhaps a bit of unease? By weaving these ideas into our stories and creative expressions, we've transformed abstract theories into relatable experiences, shaping the way we think about the universe and our place within it. As we peer into the mysteries of the cosmos, the tools and missions on the horizon promise to bring us closer than ever to answering some of our most profound questions. One of the most exciting developments is the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of modern engineering designed to observe the universe in unprecedented detail. With its advanced infrared capabilities, it can peer through cosmic dust clouds, analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, and even detect the chemical signatures of potential life. It's like having a cosmic detective that can uncover clues hidden in the vastness of space. But the search for life beyond Earth isn't limited to telescopes. Initiatives like the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI, are continually scanning the skies for signals that might hint at intelligent civilizations. Advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning are supercharging these efforts, sifting through massive amounts of data faster and more efficiently than ever before. Imagine the possibilities if we were to detect even a faint whisper from another world. It could redefine our place in the universe. Looking ahead, the next few decades hold immense promise. Missions to Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, aim to explore its icy surface and the ocean beneath, where conditions might just be right for life. Meanwhile, projects like Breakthrough Starshot are conceptualizing ways to send tiny probes to nearby star systems, bringing the dream of interstellar exploration within reach. Every step forward brings us closer to understanding whether we're alone in the cosmos or part of a much grander story. The beauty of this journey is that it's ongoing and everyone can be a part of it. By staying informed about the latest discoveries, engaging with scientific communities, or even just looking up at the night sky, you're participating in a quest that has captivated humanity for centuries. The universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. What we discover next could change everything. As we venture into the profound possibilities of life beyond Earth, we're inevitably faced with questions that go beyond science and touch the very core of our humanity. What responsibilities do we bear as we explore these uncharted territories? The moment we consider contact with alien civilizations or the creation of artificial universes, ethical dilemmas emerge that demand our attention. Let's start with the idea of encountering extraterrestrial life. What if we're not alone? How should we approach a civilization that may be vastly different from our own, perhaps more advanced or more vulnerable? The implications are staggering. Would we act as explorers or conquerors? Would we prioritize our curiosity over their autonomy? These aren't just hypotheticals, they're questions that could shape the future of humanity and potentially other species. Then there's the concept of creating artificial universes. Imagine the power to design entire realities. What does that say about our role in the cosmos? Are we playing the part of creators or mere experimenters? And what happens if something goes wrong? The risks are immense, from unintended consequences within these universes to the moral weight of wielding such godlike power. Scientists and thinkers grappling with these theories carry a heavy responsibility. They're not just pushing the boundaries of knowledge, they're also shaping the ethical framework for how humanity interacts with the unknown. Should there be limits to what we explore or create? Who gets to decide those limits? These are questions that require collective reflection, not just from experts but from all of us. So, what's at stake as we venture deeper into these theories? On one hand, the rewards are immense, unlocking truths about the universe, advancing technology, and perhaps even finding companionship among the stars. On the other, the risks are equally profound: misuse of power, unintended consequences, and the potential to disrupt or harm other forms of life. As you reflect on these possibilities, consider this: how do we balance our thirst for discovery with our responsibility to act ethically? What safeguards should we put in place to ensure that our exploration of the cosmos is not just bold, but also wise? These are the kinds of questions that remind us that the journey into the unknown isn't just about what we find, it's also about who we become along the way. What if the greatest discoveries in science began not with a microscope or telescope, but with a spark of imagination? The truth is, curiosity and creativity have always been the driving forces behind our understanding of the universe. Thinkers like Albert Einstein didn't just crunch numbers, they let their minds wander into uncharted territories, asking questions that seemed impossible to answer at the time. Einstein famously imagined riding on a beam of light, a thought experiment that eventually led to his groundbreaking theory of relativity. It's this kind of bold, imaginative thinking that pushes the boundaries of what we think is possible. Carl Sagan, another visionary, once said, "Imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were, but without it, we go nowhere." He used his creativity to paint a picture of the cosmos that inspired millions, making the vastness of space feel personal and accessible. These pioneers didn't just follow the data, they dared to dream beyond it. And that's the beauty of imagination. It allows us to see beyond the limits of our current knowledge, to envision realities that might seem far-fetched today but could redefine our tomorrow. So how can we harness this power in our own lives? What if we allowed ourselves to ask those "what if" questions without fear of sounding unrealistic? Whether it's pondering the existence of life on distant planets or imagining new ways to solve problems here on Earth, creativity has the potential to shape our future in profound ways. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and it's often the dreamers, the ones who dare to think differently, who lead the charge in unlocking them. Let's not underestimate the role of imagination in scientific progress. After all, every great leap forward begins with a single, daring idea. One of the most fascinating aspects of exploring theories about life beyond Earth is how often they get tangled up with myths and misconceptions. Some ideas, while intriguing, drift far from the science or philosophy that originally inspired them. For instance, the idea that extraterrestrial life must resemble humanity in form or intelligence is a persistent myth. In reality, life elsewhere could be so radically different that we might not even recognize it at first glance. It's essential to separate the speculative from the scientific, especially when dealing with theories that push the boundaries of our understanding. Another common misconception is that scientists are searching for aliens with the same goals as science fiction writers, to find a mirror of ourselves in the cosmos. In truth, the search for extraterrestrial life is rooted in questions about the origins of life, the conditions that make it possible, and the diversity of the universe. It's not about confirming our assumptions, but about challenging them. The tools we use, like radio telescopes and space probes, are designed to detect signs of life, not to prove or disprove the fantastical stories we tell. Misinformation often creeps in when sensational headlines oversimplify complex research. A study about potential biosignatures on a distant planet might be twisted into a claim that aliens have already been found. This kind of distortion can lead to confusion, making it harder for people to engage with the real science. By approaching these theories with a critical yet open mind, we can appreciate their depth without falling into the trap of uncritical belief. So, how do we separate fact from speculation? One way is to look at the evidence behind the claims. Is there peer-reviewed research supporting the idea? Or does it rely more on hypothetical scenarios and popular imagination? Asking these questions doesn't mean dismissing the unknown. It means embracing it with curiosity and rigor. After all, the universe is vast and full of mysteries, but our greatest discoveries come from asking the right questions. What if the truth about life beyond Earth is even stranger than we've imagined? And how can staying informed help us navigate the fine line between wonder and misinformation? When it comes to theories about life beyond Earth, public perception is a fascinating mix of wonder, skepticism, and everything in between. For some, the idea of extraterrestrial existence sparks a sense of awe, like peering into the unknown and glimpsing the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. Others approach these ideas with a healthy dose of doubt, questioning the evidence or the plausibility of such claims. This spectrum of reactions isn't just random, it's shaped by a variety of factors, from the media we consume to the education we receive about the universe. Think about the last time you saw a headline about UFOs or alien civilizations. Chances are it was sensationalized, designed to grab attention rather than inform. Media has a powerful influence on how we perceive these theories, often amplifying the extraordinary while downplaying the scientific rigor behind them. On the flip side, documentaries and educational programs can foster a more nuanced understanding, encouraging us to think critically about the evidence and the implications. It's a tug of war between mystery and facts, and where we land often depends on the sources we trust. But it's not just about what we're told, it's also about how we engage with these ideas. Do we dismiss them outright as science fiction, or do we approach them with an open mind, ready to explore the evidence? How do we balance curiosity with critical thinking? These are questions worth reflecting on, especially as we continue to push the boundaries of what we know about the universe. After all, the search for life beyond Earth isn't just a scientific endeavor, it's a deeply human one, connecting us through shared curiosity and wonder. This is where community comes in. Whether you're a skeptic, a believer, or somewhere in between, these theories invite us to have thoughtful conversations, to share perspectives, and to learn from one another. What's your take on the idea of extraterrestrial life? How do these theories shape your view of our place in the cosmos? By engaging in these discussions, we're not just exploring the universe, we're building a sense of connection, reminding ourselves that the search for answers is something we're all a part of. Theories about life beyond Earth don't just live in the domain of science, they ripple outward, touching philosophy, theology, art, and even the way we define our place in the cosmos. Think about it, when we ponder the existence of extraterrestrial life, we're not just asking a scientific question, we're also grappling with profound philosophical dilemmas. What does it mean to be alive? Are we alone in the universe, or is life a universal phenomenon? These questions have echoed through human thought for centuries, from ancient philosophers to modern thinkers. The search for extraterrestrial life isn't just about science, it's about understanding who we are. Theology, too, finds itself intertwined with these theories. If life exists elsewhere, how does that shape our understanding of creation, divinity, and purpose? Many religious traditions have already begun wrestling with these questions, exploring how the discovery of extraterrestrial life might align with or challenge their beliefs. It's a fascinating intersection where faith and science meet, offering new ways to explore the mysteries of existence. Art, meanwhile, has long been a canvas for these ideas. From the surreal paintings of cosmic landscapes to the imaginative storytelling of science fiction, artists have pushed the boundaries of what's possible, inspiring us to dream beyond the confines of Earth. Think of films like Contact or novels like The Three-Body Problem. These works don't just entertain, they provoke thought, urging us to consider the implications of life beyond our planet. Art challenges us to see the universe not just as a collection of facts, but as a place of wonder and possibility. What's truly remarkable is how these disciplines collaborate, each offering a unique lens through which to explore the universe's mysteries. Scientists provide the data, philosophers ask the big questions, theologians wrestle with meaning, and artists inspire us to imagine the unimaginable. Together, they create a tapestry of understanding that's richer and more nuanced than any single field could achieve alone. It's a reminder that the search for extraterrestrial life isn't just a scientific endeavor, it's a human one, shaped by our curiosity, creativity, and desire to connect with something greater. So, how do these different disciplines contribute to our understanding of life beyond Earth? Philosophy challenges us to think critically about the nature of life and consciousness. Theology invites us to explore the spiritual dimensions of the cosmos. Art inspires us to envision possibilities that science alone might not uncover. Each field adds a layer of depth, helping us see the bigger picture. Together, they remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is a collaborative effort, one that transcends boundaries and invites us all to participate. As we venture deeper into the mysteries of life beyond Earth, it's impossible to ignore the profound limits of human understanding. Our fascination with the cosmos is matched only by the vastness of what we don't and perhaps can't know. Theories about extraterrestrial life often stretch the boundaries of our comprehension, challenging us to rethink what we consider possible. From parallel universes to civilizations billions of years more advanced than ours, these ideas force us to confront a simple but humbling truth: we are still at the very beginning of our cosmic journey. Consider this: what does it truly mean to face the unknown? Every theory about life beyond Earth, no matter how speculative, serves as a mirror reflecting our own curiosity and limitations. While we've made incredible strides in astronomy, physics, and biology, there's so much that remains beyond our grasp. We can theorize about alien megastructures or sentient beings in distant galaxies, but these ideas often raise more questions than answers. And that's the beauty of it. The unknown isn't a barrier, it's an invitation. It beckons us to explore, to wonder, and to remain open to possibilities we can't yet imagine. This humility is essential. As much as we'd like to believe we're on the brink of uncovering the universe's greatest secrets, the truth is that our tools and perspectives are still limited. Even our most advanced telescopes can only peer so far into the cosmos, and our understanding of life itself is still rooted in the single example we have, Earth. What if life elsewhere follows rules we've never considered? What if it exists in forms so alien that we wouldn't even recognize it? These questions aren't just scientific, they're philosophical, inviting us to reflect on our place in the grand scheme of things. Theories about life beyond Earth don't just expand our knowledge, they expand our sense of wonder. They remind us that the universe is far stranger, more complex, and more beautiful than we can fully comprehend. And perhaps that's the point. The unknown isn't something to fear or conquer, it's something to marvel at. It's a reminder that, no matter how much we learn, there will always be more to discover. So as we ponder these theories, let's embrace the mystery. Let's celebrate the questions as much as the answers, and let's allow ourselves to be humbled by the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our understanding. The mysteries of the universe aren't just for scientists or astronauts, they belong to all of us, and they hold the power to ignite the imaginations of future generations. Think about it, every great discovery, every leap forward in our understanding of space began with a spark of curiosity, and that curiosity is something we can nurture in young minds right now. Education plays a pivotal role here, whether it's through classrooms, science programs, or even casual conversations. Sharing knowledge about the cosmos can open doors to endless possibilities. But it's not just about facts and figures, it's about storytelling too. When we frame the wonders of space as grand adventures, we make the universe feel accessible and exciting. Mentorship is another key piece of the puzzle. Imagine a young person fascinated by the stars, unsure of where to start. A guiding hand, someone who can answer their questions, encourage their ideas, or simply share their own passion, can make all the difference. It's not about having all the answers, it's about fostering a sense of wonder and showing them that their curiosity matters. And let's not forget the power of sharing our own enthusiasm. When we talk about space with excitement, when we celebrate its mysteries and possibilities, we pass that energy on to others. So how can we inspire future generations to dream big? Perhaps it's by creating opportunities for them to explore, whether through telescopes, books, or hands-on projects. Maybe it's by reminding them that every great explorer, every Galileo, every Sagan, every Hubble started with a single question. The legacy of cosmic exploration isn't just about what we've discovered. It's about what's still out there, waiting to be uncovered. And that legacy is something we can all be a part of, simply by sharing our passion and encouraging others to look up at the stars. What if the stories we tell about the cosmos could actually shape the way we explore it? Science fiction has long been a playground for the imagination, but its influence extends far beyond entertainment. It's a space where creativity dances with possibility, often blurring the line between fantasy and reality. Take, for instance, the communicators in Star Trek. When the series first aired, the idea of a handheld device that could instantly connect people across vast distances seemed pure fantasy. Yet, decades later, we have smartphones technology that's arguably even more advanced than what the show envisioned. It's a perfect example of how speculative ideas can inspire real-world innovation. But the relationship works both ways. Scientific discoveries often feed back into the realm of fiction, sparking new narratives that push the boundaries of what we think is possible. Consider black holes. Once a theoretical concept debated by physicists, they became a staple of science fiction, appearing in everything from Interstellar to Doctor Who. These stories, in turn, have helped capture the public's imagination, making complex scientific ideas more accessible and intriguing. It's a cycle. Science inspires fiction, and fiction inspires science. This dialogue between imagination and reality has led to some of the most groundbreaking advancements in history. Jules Verne's From the Earth to the Moon envisioned space travel long before it became a reality, while Arthur C. Clarke's concept of geostationary satellites laid the groundwork for modern telecommunications. Even today, scientists and engineers often draw inspiration from science fiction, using it as a tool to envision new technologies or explore uncharted territories. So, how has science fiction shaped your view of the universe? Has it made you curious about the mysteries of space, or perhaps even inspired you to think beyond the limits of our current understanding? The beauty of this interplay is that it invites us all to dream bigger, to imagine a future where the impossible becomes possible. Whether you're a scientist, a writer, or simply someone who loves to ponder the stars, the intersection of science and fiction reminds us that creativity and discovery are two sides of the same coin. As we delve into these extraordinary theories about life beyond Earth, it's impossible not to wonder what they mean for humanity's broader search for meaning. For centuries, we've looked to the stars not just for answers about the cosmos, but for clues about our own existence. Are we alone? Is there a greater purpose to the universe? These questions aren't just scientific, they're deeply philosophical, touching on the very core of who we are and why we're here. Theories about extraterrestrial life, whether they involve advanced civilizations, microbial organisms on distant moons, or even alternate dimensions, force us to confront our place in the grand scheme of things. They challenge us to rethink our assumptions about life, intelligence, and the nature of reality itself. Imagine for a moment that one of these theories turns out to be true. What would it mean to discover that we aren't the only sentient beings in the universe, or that life as we know it is just one of countless possibilities? These ideas don't just expand our understanding of the cosmos, they also invite us to reflect on our own lives and values. Would such a discovery unite humanity, or would it deepen our divisions? Would it inspire us to protect our planet and explore the stars, or would it leave us questioning our significance? These are the kinds of questions that make the search for extraterrestrial life so profoundly meaningful. At the heart of this exploration is a fundamental human desire to understand our place in the universe. Whether you're a scientist, a philosopher, or simply someone who gazes up at the night sky with wonder, these theories offer a chance to connect with something larger than ourselves. They remind us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. So, what do these ideas mean to you? Do they spark curiosity, hope, or even a sense of humility? The beauty of these theories lies not just in their scientific implications, but in their ability to inspire us to think deeply about who we are and what we're capable of. They invite us to embrace the unknown, to ask big questions, and to find meaning in the journey itself. Human ingenuity has always been the driving force behind our quest to explore the unknown, and nowhere is this more evident than in the technological marvels that have brought us closer to understanding life beyond Earth. Take telescopes, for example. From the humble beginnings of Galileo's early lenses to the awe-inspiring capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, these instruments have allowed us to peer into the vastness of the cosmos, uncovering distant galaxies and exoplanets that might harbor life. But it's not just about seeing farther, it's about seeing differently. Advanced imaging technology and spectroscopy have enabled us to analyze the chemical compositions of distant worlds, searching for signs of water, oxygen, and even potential biosignatures. Then there's the power of supercomputers, which have revolutionized how we process the unimaginable amounts of data collected from space. These machines can simulate complex cosmic events, model planetary atmospheres, and even predict the likelihood of life existing in extreme environments. Imagine the computational might required to sift through decades of radio signals in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Projects like SETI would be impossible without these technological giants. And as we look to the future, the possibilities are even more thrilling. Quantum computing, artificial intelligence, and next-generation space probes promise to push the boundaries of what we can discover. Who knows what secrets of the universe we might unlock with these tools? But here's a thought to ponder. How might technology not only answer our questions, but also reshape the very questions we ask? As our tools grow more sophisticated, could they reveal aspects of the cosmos that we haven't even considered yet? Reflect on this. Every leap in technology has fundamentally altered our understanding of the universe, from Copernicus's heliocentric model to Hubble's discovery of the expanding universe. What might the next breakthrough teach us about our place in the cosmos? This section isn't just about celebrating the devices and machines. It's about honoring the human curiosity and creativity that drive their invention. Every telescope, every algorithm, every space probe is a testament to our relentless desire to explore, to understand, and to connect with the universe around us. So, as we marvel at these technological achievements, let's also take a moment to appreciate the brilliant minds behind them and the endless possibilities they continue to unlock. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the possibilities for the next century stretch far beyond our wildest dreams. Imagine a future where interstellar travel isn't just a concept in science fiction but a tangible reality. Advances in propulsion technology, like theoretical warp drives or solar sails, could one day allow us to traverse the vast distances between stars, opening up entirely new frontiers for humanity. But with such monumental opportunities come equally significant challenges. How do we protect astronauts from the dangers of deep space, like cosmic radiation or the psychological toll of isolation? How do we sustain life on long journeys where Earth's resources are millions of miles away? These are the questions that scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to solve, and the answers could reshape our understanding of what's possible. The search for extraterrestrial life is another area where the next century could bring groundbreaking discoveries. With missions like the James Webb Space Telescope and future probes designed to explore Europa's icy oceans, we're closer than ever to finding signs of life beyond Earth. What if we detect microbial life on another planet or moon? Or even more astonishing, what if we make contact with an intelligent civilization? The implications would be profound, challenging everything we know about our place in the universe. It's not just about the science, it's about the philosophical and cultural shifts that could follow. How would humanity react to such a discovery? How would it redefine our identity as a species? Looking ahead, the future of space exploration isn't just about technology or scientific breakthroughs, it's about ambition, curiosity, and the human spirit. It's about pushing boundaries and daring to ask, what's next? So let's turn that question to you. What would you like to see in the next century of space exploration? Would it be the colonization of Mars, the discovery of alien life, or perhaps something entirely unexpected? The future is ours to shape, and the cosmos is waiting for us to take the next bold step. What if the stars above us hold secrets we've only begun to uncover? Humanity's journey into the cosmos has always been driven by an unshakable curiosity, a desire to understand the universe and our place within it. From the first time our ancestors gazed at the night sky to the groundbreaking discoveries of modern science, this relentless quest for knowledge has shaped our history and expanded our horizons. It's this same curiosity that led us to discover distant planets, uncover the laws of physics, and even question whether we're alone in the universe. Think about it, every monumental leap in our understanding of space began with someone asking, what if? This drive to explore the unknown has given us the Hubble telescope, the Voyager missions, and the search for exoplanets that could harbor life. It's not just about the tools or the technology, it's about the spirit of wonder that pushes us to look beyond what we know. And here's the thing, this curiosity isn't reserved for scientists or astronauts. It's a part of who we all are. Think about the cosmic mysteries that captivate you. Is it the possibility of alien civilizations, the mind-bending concept of parallel universes? Or the sheer vastness of a cosmos that seems endless? Whatever it is, that spark of curiosity is your connection to the universe's greatest secrets. So, what inspires you to look up at the stars and dream? Whether it's a moment of quiet reflection under a clear night sky or the thrill of a new discovery shared by astronomers, that curiosity is a powerful force. It's what drives us to ask questions, seek answers, and imagine the possibilities that lie beyond our current understanding. And in a universe as vast and mysterious as ours, there's no limit to what we might uncover next. Let's celebrate that human spirit of exploration together, because the next great discovery could start with a simple question from anyone, anywhere. What if the way we see our place in the universe could fundamentally alter the trajectory of human civilization? The theories we've explored about life beyond Earth aren't just fascinating to ponder. They have the potential to reshape society in profound ways. Imagine a world where the discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence sparks a global movement toward unity. Suddenly, the borders that once divided us might seem insignificant in the face of a shared cosmic identity. This isn't just science fiction, it's a possibility that could redefine how we approach collaboration, innovation, and even our own humanity. Scientific advancements would accelerate at an unprecedented pace. The pursuit of understanding extraterrestrial life could drive breakthroughs in technology, from advanced spacecraft to revolutionary communication systems. Think about the Apollo program, a mission to the moon that gave us everything from satellite technology to memory foam. Now, imagine the societal ripple effects of a discovery that challenges everything we know about life itself. Entire industries could emerge, focused on exploring and interacting with otherworldly civilizations, while existing ones would adapt to new realities. But the impact wouldn't stop at science and technology. Philosophically, these theories could lead to a seismic shift in how we perceive our existence. If life is common across the universe, what does that mean for concepts like purpose, morality, and even spirituality? For some, it might inspire a deeper sense of humility, recognizing that we're just one small part of a vast, interconnected cosmos. For others, it could ignite a renewed sense of wonder, driving us to explore, create, and connect in ways we've never imagined. Perhaps most importantly, these ideas could foster a spirit of global collaboration. The challenges of cosmic exploration are immense, and no single nation or organization can tackle them alone. The search for extraterrestrial life could become a unifying force, bringing together diverse cultures, disciplines, and perspectives to solve problems that transcend our individual differences. It's a reminder that, in the grand scheme of the universe, we're all in this together. So, what does all this mean for you? How might these theories influence the way you see the world, or even the choices you make in your own life? Whether it's through scientific discovery, philosophical reflection, or a renewed sense of shared purpose, the exploration of life beyond Earth has the power to transform not just our understanding of the cosmos, but our understanding of ourselves. And that's a journey worth taking together. There's something profoundly beautiful about the unknown. It's not just a void to be filled or a puzzle to be solved. It's a reminder of how vast and untamed the cosmos truly is. Think about it. Every theory we've explored, every idea we've questioned, is just a tiny flicker of thought against the infinite backdrop of the universe. And isn't that extraordinary? The mysteries that remain unsolved aren't just gaps in our knowledge. They're invitations to wonder, to dream, and to imagine what might lie beyond the edges of our understanding. The infinite possibilities of the cosmos are humbling. One moment, we're contemplating the idea of ancient alien civilizations, and the next, we're marveling at the thought of parallel universes teeming with life we can't even begin to comprehend. These theories aren't just scientific speculations, they're sparks of creativity that remind us of how much we have yet to discover. They challenge us to look up at the night sky and feel that familiar mix of curiosity and awe. And isn't that the true magic of it all? The journey of discovery is as rewarding as the answers themselves. Every question we ask, every mystery we ponder, brings us closer to understanding not just the universe, but our place within it. So, what excites you most about the unknown? Is it the thought of uncovering secrets hidden in the farthest reaches of space? Or perhaps it's the idea that, no matter how much we learn, there will always be more to explore, more to wonder about. This is where the real beauty lies, not in having all the answers, but in embracing the infinite potential of the questions. The universe is vast, mysterious, and endlessly fascinating. And it's waiting for us to keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep finding joy in the journey. As we gaze out into the vastness of space, searching for signs of life beyond our own planet, something extraordinary happens. We begin to see Earth in a whole new light. The more we explore the cosmos, the more we realize just how unique and precious our home really is. Imagine looking back at Earth from the surface of another world, seeing it as a tiny, fragile dot in the infinite expanse. It's a perspective that humbles and inspires, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains life here. The search for alien life isn't just about discovering what's out there, it's also about understanding what we have right here. Think about it, every planet we study, every star system we examine, teaches us something about the rarity of the conditions that make Earth so vibrant and alive. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the ecosystems that thrive, these are not just accidents of nature, but the result of an intricate, finely tuned system that has taken billions of years to develop. This cosmic exploration doesn't diminish the importance of Earth, it amplifies it. As we dream of colonizing Mars or discovering habitable exoplanets, we're reminded that no other world we've encountered comes close to the beauty and complexity of our own. This realization should spark a sense of responsibility, a call to protect and preserve the only home we've ever known. After all, if we can imagine the possibility of life elsewhere, shouldn't we be just as invested in safeguarding the life that's already here? So, how does this quest affect your view of Earth? Does it make you see our planet as a fragile oasis in the void, or does it deepen your appreciation for the resilience of life itself? The answers to these questions aren't just philosophical, they're practical. They remind us that the search for life beyond Earth isn't a distraction from our problems here. It's a lens through which we can better understand and address them. In the end, the journey to explore the cosmos is also a journey inward, a chance to reflect on our place in the universe and the role we play in shaping the future of our planet. By connecting the dots between space exploration and environmental stewardship, we can build a more thoughtful, sustainable relationship with the world we call home. Exploring the mysteries of life beyond Earth isn't just the work of a single scientist, government, or organization. It's a global effort that thrives on collaboration. Imagine the combined knowledge, resources, and creativity of people from every corner of the world coming together to tackle these profound questions. This isn't just a dream, it's a necessity. The vastness of the universe demands that we pool our expertise, share our discoveries, and support one another in the pursuit of answers. Consider the International Space Station, a shining example of what humanity can achieve when we work together. Astronauts from different nations, speaking different languages, have lived and conducted groundbreaking research in orbit, proving that cooperation can transcend boundaries. But it's not just about massive projects. Scientists across disciplines, astronomy, biology, physics, and more are constantly exchanging ideas, refining theories, and pushing the limits of our understanding. Governments play a crucial role too, funding missions and fostering international partnerships. Programs like NASA Artemis Accords aim to unite nations under shared principles for lunar exploration and beyond. And let's not forget the contributions of individuals, citizen scientists, educators, and even amateur astronomers who make discoveries and inspire others to look up at the stars. So, how can we contribute to this shared endeavor? It could be as simple as staying informed, supporting space-related initiatives, or sparking curiosity in the next generation. Every effort counts, no matter how small. After all, the search for life beyond Earth isn't just about finding answers, it's about coming together as a species to explore the unknown. What role will you play in this cosmic journey? When we look up at the night sky, we're seeing it through the eyes of countless explorers who came before us. Think about Galileo, who first turned a telescope toward the heavens and revealed the moons of Jupiter, shattering the belief that everything revolved around Earth. His boldness not only changed our understanding of the cosmos, but also set the stage for centuries of discovery. Fast forward to today, where modern scientists are peering into the depths of space, uncovering exoplanets and probing the mysteries of black holes. Each step forward builds on the legacy of those who dared to ask what if and why not. Their work wasn't just about finding answers, it was about expanding the very boundaries of what we thought was possible. And now that torch is being passed to us. Whether you're a scientist, a student, or simply someone who gazes at the stars with wonder, you're part of this ongoing journey. What discoveries might we make in the next decade? What questions will we dare to ask that no one has considered before? This legacy of exploration isn't just about the past, it's a call to action for the future. How can we honor the innovators and dreamers who came before us? Perhaps it's by nurturing curiosity, supporting scientific research, or simply encouraging the next generation to look up and dream big. The universe is vast, and our understanding of it is still in its infancy. What role will you play in the next chapter of cosmic exploration? The possibilities are as endless as the stars themselves. As we've journeyed through these 10 surreal theories about life beyond Earth, one thing becomes undeniably clear: the universe is a canvas of infinite imagination. From ancient alien civilizations leaving behind cryptic artifacts to parallel dimensions where life evolves in ways we can scarcely comprehend, each theory challenges us to think beyond the boundaries of our understanding. They remind us that the cosmos is not just a place of stars and planets, but a realm of endless questions and possibilities. What ties these ideas together is not their scientific certainty. Many remain in the realm of speculation, but the boundless curiosity and creativity they inspire. They invite us to ponder the unknown, to question what lies beyond the horizon of our knowledge, and to embrace the thrill of exploration. Whether it's the concept of panspermia seeding life across galaxies or the idea of sentient black holes hosting advanced civilizations, these theories stretch our minds and spark conversations that could shape the future of science and philosophy. At the heart of all these ideas is a universal truth: the human desire to understand our place in the cosmos. We look to the stars not just for answers, but for the joy of discovery, for the wonder of imagining what might be out there. And that's the beauty of these theories. They don't just explore life beyond Earth. They celebrate the ingenuity and curiosity that make us human. So, as we close this chapter, let's carry that spirit of exploration forward. Keep questioning, keep dreaming, and keep looking to the stars, because in the vast expanse of the universe, the next great discovery might be just one thought away. As Carl Sagan once said, "Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Let's go find it."